Hey guys, good morning. It's Silvana. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. I don't know what day it'll be when you're watching it, but anyway, I'm just getting ready for class right now. I just did my makeup and now I need to figure out what to wear. Also, right now I have my academic advisement, which I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's essentially when you go meet with your, what's a synonym for advisor? So you essentially like meet with someone like higher up in your department and they like tell you what classes to take, what to not take, a few pointers, stuff like that. But yeah, I have to do that at 11:30. Is now 10:36, so I should be leaving here at like 11 probably. Anyway, I thought I would bring you along with me throughout my day. Don't really know what I'm doing, but that's why you're coming along with me. So stay tuned. So I just got ready to go, and can you tell me why someone left a random sock right there? I'll never understand college. Oh god, this is like, usually I'm all for it, but like it's a little too bright right now. Oh gosh, I'm dying. And I'm like 20 minutes early, so I'll probably just walk around a little bit. I don't really know what I'm showing. I'm just showing you everything. Love that. Very cute. Over there we have the USU, which is like the more like fun stuff, I guess. They have like a few restaurants, and there's the coffee shop right there, but it's like a proudly served Starbucks. It's not an actual Starbucks, unfortunately. Ta-da! Just got out of my advisement. Now I'm on my way to my class, so I'm like half an hour early, so that's funny. Again. That's the building I was just in. You guys literally don't care, but I'm telling you anyway. Look how pretty it looks. It's so green. I just got out of class, and now is when I would usually walk back, but I kind of don't want to walk back right now. So I think I'm just going to go to the library till like 3:15 when Guillermo gets out and do homework, and then we can just walk back together because I don't feel like going back to the apartment. I'm now walking back to the dorms. Dang, I'm about to cross the place that always asks you to sign things. I really am not feeling it, so I'm just gonna pretend like I'm FaceTiming someone. Hey guys, I'm FaceTiming you. Hello. Squirrels, do you guys see them? There's like squirrels everywhere. They're kind of weird though. They're like not afraid of humans. They'll like completely run up to you. Finally, home sweet home. So I just got back like 10 minutes ago, and I completely forgot that I need to go to the mailroom to pick up a package. So let's go. It's actually a vampire cape because I'm gonna be a vampire for Halloween. I got fake blood too. I'm so excited. I don't know how to do my makeup exactly, but I'm thinking like a smoky eye and like really dramatic smoky eye, probably like fake lashes, palish makeup, and just like blood everywhere. It's gonna be great. And as for outfit, I'm not really sure. Definitely all black, but I don't know if like maybe like black jeans and like a black top. I'm not sure yet, but I'll probably wear it with like some maroon or reddish like Doc Martens because why not? And I don't know why, when I think of vampire, I think of straight hair, so I'll probably straighten my hair for that because we gotta go all out, you know? It's like surprisingly kind of warm out, and I don't appreciate it because today is what, October 16th, and what the heck, man, you know? I feel really ugly today. Like it's just one of those days where I'm just like, ew, why am I even filming today? I don't know. There we go. Oh, love that. Package secured. Now let's go back to the dorms and figure out what we're doing with our lives. The manufacturers for this really said F the planet because not only is there one, not two, but 3 different baggies that the cape is in. Wow, okay. Hey guys, this is Laisha. We're gonna go costume shopping, right?
Yeah.
Are we going to like Spirit Halloween or something?
There's one here on Reseda.
I kind of know what I want to be already, so I don't think I'll get anything, but, well, I saw a Cleopatra one.
Where?
There.
And this one?
Mm-hmm. Because I went yesterday to get fake blood.
Oh.
Yeah, they have it. We're here. Fun. Cute.
You just got the cape?
What's up? No, I didn't get the cape from here. I ordered the cape on Amazon. And I got this blood, which I think should be enough.
Oh my god.
The makeup they did on this guy kind of makes me uncomfortable. I don't really like it. They have a lot of options though, but like Cleopatra's a little disappointing if I'm being honest. Imagine being a taco for Halloween. That's funny. Oh, a Mexican man. You can be a what the heck? Inflatable bull rider, beer
Will
pint.
there be a taco or a Mexican man?
Okay, this is the weird section I see. Okay, but like, why is grandma thick? You see grandma? Something light, something cute. Oh, my favorite? Was it the dolls? No,
No, I feel like those are
maybe. I don't know. Let's see. How cute. Watch them like look up right now. We're leaving now. We were a little disappointed. They didn't really have that many options. She tried on like 4. They were like okay. They didn't really have like sizes, to be honest. We're not impressed. We came to get coffee because it's happy hour right now. Are you getting something? Do you know what you're getting?
No, I don't know.
Well, we'll figure it out. I got an iced chai latte. What'd you get, Laisha?
I don't know which I
An
get.
iced vanilla latte.
Iced vanilla.
She had to say her name was Lily because they
never
could
get my
never.
name right.
Yeah. And I just had to spell it out for her like entirely. So we love having complicated names.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. They didn't put enough chai in there. It's like kind of just like milk with like a splash of chai. But whatever, it's fine. It was half off. I'm not too bothered. It's fine. I think I'm just gonna watch Sex and the City right now because it's the best show ever. So that's the update. So while I'm watching that, I think I'm gonna start packing because I'm gonna go home this weekend. I should figure that out. I'm so excited to see my family and my doggies and sleep in my bed for like 3 whole days. I'm so excited. I leave. How many times can I say excited? I don't know. I leave tomorrow, which is Thursday, so I can definitely pack tomorrow because I won't leave till late, but might as well just get it over with now, you know? Last time I saw my mom, I took this jean jacket from her from Anthropologie, and she is kind of missing it, so I'm gonna give her back this one that I had grabbed from her earlier this year, but I don't really wear it that much, so let's take that back to her. You know, I treat her closet like a library sometimes, and she kind of wants to kill me for it, but you know, I think that's what happens when you have a daughter. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. Hey Google, what's the weather gonna be like in Palm Springs this weekend?
Friday through Sunday in Palm Springs, it'll be sunny with highs in the low 90s and lows around 63.
That did not help at all. That range is so wide. What do I even pack? I don't know. So it's about to be 6 p.m. and I haven't ate anything. So that's bad. I should make something. Usually I eat pretty healthy, to be honest, but today I don't think it's going to be one of those days. Let's see what we make. Welcome to college, my friends. Sure. I've actually never made box mac and cheese before, so let's see how this goes. This stove is so old-fashioned. I don't even, sure. So while the pasta is boiling, I think I'm gonna watch this documentary that I have to watch for class, and it's so boring and I really don't want to, but here we go. Hey, so it's been a while. What time is it? It's like 7:30. And I just took a body shower and I touched on my makeup and try to fix this mess of hair, but I just realized it's gonna stay crazy no matter what I do to it, so it's fine. I'm gonna go on a date in a little bit and I don't know what to wear. As per usual, I don't know if you've noticed, but that's like my constant dilemma. Like I never know what to wear. It's kind of like, I don't know. I feel like that's every girl's dilemma though, so maybe I'm not that original and quirky. It's fine. I also finished watching that documentary. It wasn't that boring actually. I thought it was gonna be worse. It was actually not bad. Sorry for, you know, speaking too soon. Not bad. And I did some more homework, and that's, you know, pretty much my life. Just school. Yeah. Also, I have a random question for you guys. Are you guys morning showerers or night showers? Honestly, I don't know. If I had to pick, I think it'd be morning, but honestly, I'd take both. I don't know. Something about going to sleep not feeling clean doesn't sound nice, but also like going through your whole day not feeling fresh. I don't know. So honestly, just let me know. I'm curious. I don't know. I always ask people this and they think it's a weird question, but like, I'm actually curious, so let me know. So as embarrassing as it is to admit this, I changed approximately like 8 different times because I'm that indecisive and I just didn't like anything. So that's... Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because I don't want to vlog on the date because that's kind of weird, to be honest. So let's just end it here. I sound like I'm breaking up with you. I'm not breaking up with you, I promise. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, do everything that you can do because I would really appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.